What does your bedtime routine look like? For some, it calls for a warm cup of chamomile tea and gentle stretching. Or maybe a calming blend of essential oils is added to a diffuser. It also doesn't hurt to reach for a good book. Turn off the screens, or write in a journal. All of these habits make way for a better, deeper sleep. At night, supplemental magnesium will help you wind down. It promotes wonderfully restful sleep. 1. Soothe sore muscles. Take magnesium after a long day. This nutrient controls muscle relaxation and contraction, so it'll be a lifesaver for aches and pains. It's a must when you're trying to get cozy. Dealing with PMS? Magnesium can reduce muscle aches, breast tenderness, and other symptoms of menstrual pain. 2. Improve sleep quality. Drifting off will be easier with magnesium. Remember, it soothes the body and mind, helping you dive into sleep mode. Isn't that the point of a bedtime routine? 3. Digestion. A happy gut equals a happy body. It controls so much, from immunity to emotional health. Most importantly, a healthy gut regulates digestion, so you can be sure constipation never stands in your way. Magnesium will help make this happen. 4. Headaches. If you're prone to headaches or migraines, sleeping can be a nightmare. That's where magnesium comes in. Low levels are linked to platelet accumulation, a major factor in headache development. Magnesium supplements can be found as pills. However, the body also absorbs it through the skin, so don't limit yourself. Use Epsom bath salts for a relaxing, all-natural bath.